Okay, so I just got my Pop On Veneers. Excuse my disheveled hair. I just got back from camping. But anyway, my Pop On Veneers came, and I'm very happy with them. I just wanted to show you what my teeth look like before. Ooh. So I have a bridge right here, and I have a space right here, here, and here, because when I had braces when I was younger, they made those spaces so eventually my parents or me could get some implants done. And, you know, implants are very expensive. And now I got my braces off when I was 18, and now I'm 35, and I still have not been able to get those done. And now I have 4 kids, so it's just not happening anytime soon. So I got these, and I really enjoy them. So that's what they look like before. And I smile really big naturally, so I was concerned about, you know, if they would go right up to my gum line, since when I smile, you can see my gum line. I don't like smile like really small like that. So anyway, I'll put the bottoms in first because you can hear those snap in really nice. See? Snap. And of course, I have a little bit of a lisp because I just got them, like literally, I just tried them on like an hour ago. So those are the bottoms. Look at how nice that looks. And then the difference between the whiteness, God, I didn't realize that my teeth were so yellow, but that's the difference between the colors. Hold on. Okay, and here's the top. So I think they're more noticeable on top than they are when you just have the bottoms in. But, and like I said, I smile like really big, like naturally. So I was concerned that it wasn't going to go like right up to the top, but I think it looks pretty good. And I got really emotional when I showed my husband because I wanted to show him before I looked in the mirror and saw them myself, and he said that I was going to love them. And I haven't had teeth for so long. So it definitely makes me happy, and I really like them. So there we go. I was going to say, here's my new smile. I'm going to try to not smile as big as I normally do. Like this. But I'll just smile like this. What do you think? Maybe I'll just wear the tops, but what do you think, Cole?
Wait, you got another extra teeth?
Yeah.
You got extra teeth?
Yeah, what do you think?
It looks fine.